Welcome. In this video I will show you how to free up storage on iPad 13 2026. Let's take this operation step by step. The first thing that we want to do is open settings, go to general on the sidebar and open iPad storage in here. Now look at the color coded bar at the top and see what takes your device's storage. As you can see, in my case, pretty much nothing. I only have 1/5 of the entire storage used, which is plenty for most purposes. But below this colored bar, we'll see recommendations that will tell you exactly what you should do in order to free up your device's storage. So we can offload unused applications, which will basically delete them from our device, delete the base files that we don't of the applications that we don't use, and we'll be able to reinstall these apps easily once we remind ourselves about them in the future, look them up on our iPad and then tap on them once. This way your iPad will begin the reinstallation of the unused application and it will be back on your iPad. Besides, you can of course simply delete some files, some large files stored on your iPad. You can see the apps sorted by categories. For example, we have the YouTube application, and for this particular app we can offload it. If we don't use it, we can delete this application. If we go to on my iPad, we'll be able to find the list of folders with different files in them and select which ones we want to delete. And if you are stuck with the issue when you cannot delete anything because everything is important on your iPad, you have really two different ways to go. So you can either buy yourself an external SSD drive where you can back up your data, or you can of course use your other device as an external SSD drive for backing up data from your iPad and back up your data to your basically free storage around you that you have. Or you can also simply extend your iCloud storage. To do that, go back to general. No, actually go to your account settings, open iCloud, and as you can see, I only have 5 GB of storage in my iCloud, which is less than enough for most users, but we can of course upgrade for more storage. Of course it will cost us some money, but upgrading the storage to 50 GB, which is much more than 5 GB, will only cost us around $1 per month. And we can of course get up to 2 TB. Well, 2 TB should be more than enough for anyone, and it costs around $15 per month, which is still a great amount of money if we put it into perspective, into annual perspective, for example. So yeah, you may want to consider purchasing an external SSD drive or just backing up your storage data to your computer, your MacBook, or whatever. And that's pretty much it. That's how you resolve this issue step by step. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.